Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1941 Willys. It's over the top show car. I got Tom here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. What do you want to tell you, Tom?
All right, she's got a dot big M block in it. She's approximately 601 cubic inches.
Wow,
It's got a 1071 supercharger.
the blower shop.
She on the dyno, it's shaft off engine dyno with race gas. We had it up at 1400 horsepower.
Whew.
Right now, for the street, she said that I think it's 984.
Okay.
The transmission was built by Liberty Trans. It's a 5-speed straight line shifter.
Which is pretty cool. Let me
The
show
rear
that
is
to you
a
guys.
Moser pinned rear with a back brace, 355 gears.
Gorgeous paint too.
The paint is, believe it or not, it's a stock paint color.
What is it?
It's got a 4-link suspension in it. Naturally for the gasser. She's got the chrome leaves and the chrome front axle.
What do you call her? T-Bone?
That's my nickname. My son drew that.
Beautiful.
He didn't paint it, but he drew it.
Very nice. So you got a dual quad set up. Those are Hollies.
Yeah, 2 Holley 750s.
Okay.
It's got a 646 lift cam in it.
MSD Distributor. Hydro Boost.
Down below. It's a brake booster.
Wow.
But it's got its own motor. No vacuum off the engine, nothing off the engine.
Very cool.
It's like brakes on steroids.
Nice big radiator.
This car has 2 radiators.
Oh.
There's one in the front here,
Yeah.
and then there's another full-size radiator, more or less out here.
Okay. Keeps
That
it
is
nice
all
and
set.
cool.
Sets fans on it and all.
Custom grill up front.
I said the rear has a back brace on it, right?
Ooh, aluminum heads too. What kind of heads are those?
They're dot heads.
Oh, dart heads. Beautiful. I like the wheels too. Wilwood brakes all the way around.
Yes.
These are 79Hs. Wrapped in Hoosiers. In the back, we got a big fat guy back here too. This is a 31 by 16 and a half. And then we got tilt wheel. Is that
Yeah.
I did it column?
Yeah.
Custom buckets. The embroidery on the headrest.
Yes.
It's like a
AG
certified
American
cage too.
Yes. 8.5.
850 cage.
Yeah, 850.
I like the swing out here too, which is nice.
Yes.
You can get in and out actually. Man, this Liberty transmission is killer. Custom stereo.
Yes. CD player.
Kenwood. Does it have heat? Full auto meter gauges.
Yes.
How many miles on the build?
What?
How many miles on the build?
There's under 1700. Let me see. Over.
1730. Wow. Water. 2 fuel? Oh, fuel pressure. Fuel tank. Oil. Volts. Huh. What do you have? 2 oil?
Well, one's oil temperature and one's oil pressure.
Oh, I see that.
The alternator has from Jonas Pulleys. I put a bigger pulley on it, so she always has 14.5 volts charging.
Cool. I noticed 2 batteries in the trunk too. Does it run on 12 volt or?
Yeah, it's 12 volt.
Okay.
Let me open the trunk.
Okay. Yeah, those are Optima gels.
The radiator, filling the radiator is over here. Let's put that up.
Cool.
In.
Yeah, beautiful. Love how the cage comes all the way back too. see the fenders pop off too.
Yeah, when I had it done. Let me tell you. Yeah, I had it made so the top will come off on drive, profile show the motor.
Sure.
But then when you gotta work on it, you just these 3 on this side, 3 on the other side, it should tilt
right
up.
off. Yeah. Oh, it tilts up.
Yeah.
Cool. Tilt nose. Then you got the hood over here.
Yes.
Also has the same push outs. Man, that is bitching. He's fired up, Tom?
Start it up?
Yeah. Here's this bad boy. So what we gotta do?
This is fans.
Mm-hmm.
Ignition. Ball juice.
Yeah.
This is the start. And press the button. Here's the code for the radio.
Take it for a quick ride?
Yeah.
We should just have to shut the trunk. What's the button for? Does it have line lock or transfer?
Yeah, line lock.
Man, that granny sounds so good. That sounds like a Lincoln granny.
Yeah, no, it's built by Liberty. Liberty, I don't know if you ever heard of Liberty.
Yeah, of course.
It's a trade where you got it. You're shipping, you got a warranty.
You better kind of put it in.
Yeah, don't play. Just shift it.
Wow. Wow.
Want more?
No, that's good. Guys, thank you so much. Tom, thank you so much for showing us your car. It is magnificent. Give us a buzz, 631-339-0399. Smash that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.